Lifestyle. In this time, our lifestyle is very changed. In Ayurvedic lifestyle is very good for our physical mind, physically, mentally, and spiritually. I try to give you morning to night simple lifestyle. When you get up early morning, try to get up before sunrise. You see the birds is crying early morning. On this time, a lot of prana energy on the earth. When sunrise is coming, before birds is start to get up and start to welcome to new life also. Because whole night you are sleeping, then and like you are dead. You don't know what happened, and like that. Then new life is coming early morning, and new sun is coming outside, and this new sun is really welcome for our life, because life is very short. We are missing life continuous. You see, 24 hour. I have 24 hour. Okay. We need to sleep 8 hour to 10 hour. And we are losing like death 8 hour to 10 hour on the bed. And after we expend the time, maybe half hour minimum, in your bathroom, toilet, after you make a food or eat a food, breakfast, lunch, dinner, minimum 1/2 hour, very fast you do then. 1/2 hour to 2 hour, maybe 1/2 hour, 12 hour now. 10 hours sleeping, 2 hour this. After we are losing time, maybe minimum 4 hour on the TV. Just losing time. We are given our life for the TV. 4 hour. Mobile, minimum 4 hour. Always mobile. In this time, new system. Always, all children to elders, always mobile. Maybe you take TV and mobile, both is the 4 hour minimum. Then 8 hour more, 18 hour. In 18 hours, 6 hour you are, maybe 6 hour you are working in the office. You given our life for company, not your company, our company for other people, for earn them little money. Your 24 hour gone. Very easy, very fast. Maybe little short, then 6 to 8 hour in company. Maybe you don't look TV. 2 hour traveling to go company and come back, 10 hour. 10 hours sleeping. 2 hour for eating, going toilet and your work. 22 hour. And 2 hour you are only possible give the family. 24 hour gone. And like very magic. And you don't know the life when is finished. Because you don't aware for looking yourself. When your lifestyle, in Hindi say yam niyam, your rules, regulation is very good, then you little bit use the other time for self-development. Better you get up, Ayurveda say get up 1/2 hour before sunrise. And when you get up early morning, you take 1 or 2 glass water, maybe 200 ml to 400 ml little hot water. When you take early morning water, this water is super for your health, physical and mental health. Ayurveda say 80% to 90% disease is cured. Only drink early morning water. After you go a little bit jogging, exercise, yoga, what you prefer, little physical exercise, or your home cleaning, or you work in the kitchen, no matter, physical, not on the bed, little bit outside, and welcome the sun. And then you do take bath, fresh, little thank for the nature, for your new life start. After you do work what you want to do, take lunch. Which way you drink water? When you drink water, take sip, slow, not very fast drink water. Sip, and like eat. Water is good for eat. This is the best way. When you eat food, before 45 minutes before, don't drink water, no any liquid. And when you take lunch or dinner or breakfast, no lunch, dinner time, take water, and after 45 minutes, don't take. Very important reason. When you take a lot of liquid with food, then when you eat any food, it is going the stomach, then secretion, gallbladder give the secretion, acid is coming to digest the food. And when you drink the water, liquid a lot, this food, this acid, which acid come, this is going to dilute. Then acid coming more on the stomach. Then you feel acidity always. Then anybody has acidity, don't drink water in the food time. When you take the lunch or dinner, after 45 minutes you take this. It is very healthy for you. Take good health. In salad, fruits, it is good for daytime. Morning is very good for the take fruit juice, fruits. Lunch time it is very good for curd. Night time is very good for with dinner milk. Ayurveda say hot milk. It is very good for healthy. Salad is good for daytime. Salad is not good for night time. Also curd is good for daytime, not good for night time. And when you eat food, always try to take more and more grinding. And like water drink. Then you are very easy, good digest for your stomach. And when you eat your dinner or lunch, concentrate on there. Not start to learn the paper, not start to take the movie, not start to take the mobile. Just keep the respect for food. When you are connected with food, food is healed and food healed you also. Not make a plan on this time, not thinking too much on this time. When you are thinking too much, blood is going in the brain, then less blood on the stomach to digest the food. It is very important. After, say people after breakfast go to work, after lunch little bit sleep 20 minutes, after night dinner walk little bit. then good stomach good to digest. Cold drink. Cold drink is very bad for body and mind. Very bad. Everybody know this. Then they interested for cold drink. Ice cream also not good for body. Body temperature is 98. And when you give the cold direct anything, it is very dangerous. And like cold water also very dangerous for your body. This region normal water in the environmental temperature, maybe hot season, cold season little bit hot water. It is very health for you. Because inside temperature is very hot and you put the cold inside, it is very dangerous for your body. Some little more include in your lifestyle. When you go sleep on the bed, 5 minutes sit down and search all morning to night what are you doing, all your activity. It is very powerful meditation. You search this all activity morning to night and you see where you are positive, where you are negative, what is you are doing good and what is not doing good. And say thank for God and little bit connected with yourself. Then you go on the sleep on the bed. Not go to sleep on the bed when you are very tense. It is very dangerous. And last moment what are you thinking and then you going to sleep on the bed. It is whole night running in subconscious mind. And it is not good. You are not easy get up early morning. And next day when you get up early morning, say that thank you God, you given me new life.